Welcome to our guide on mastering academic genres for teaching assistants. In this video, we'll explore the different types of communication used in academic settings. You'll learn why these genres matter and how to use them effectively in your lectures and presentations. Let's dive into the world of academic genres and enhance your teaching skills. So, without further ado, let's get started. Academic genres are specific types of communication used in scholarly contexts. Each genre has unique purposes, formats, and language styles. They help structure information, convey complex ideas clearly, and meet audience expectations. For instance, a research paper uses formal language to convey rigor, while a lecture may adopt a conversational tone to engage students. Understanding these differences is crucial for effective communication in academia. Different genres serve various purposes in academia, such as sharing research or summarizing findings. For international teaching assistants, genre awareness allows adaptation of language and structure based on the audience. This makes presentations more effective and professional. By understanding genres, you can tailor your communication to meet the needs of your audience. This skill is invaluable for making a lasting impact as a teacher. A research presentation focuses on sharing research findings and is structured with an introduction, methods, results, and conclusion. It's vital to present key findings clearly and explain their significance. Engaging students and conveying why the research matters is crucial. This genre helps in communicating complex research in an accessible manner. Remember, clarity is key to a successful research presentation. In a case study presentation, real-world examples or cases are used to illustrate a point. The structure typically involves introducing the case, explaining its relevance, and discussing key insights. This genre is excellent for making abstract concepts more relatable. By focusing on practical examples, you can engage students effectively. Aim to deliver insights that students can apply in real-life scenarios. Concept explanation involves breaking down complex ideas or theories into accessible language. Strategies like using analogies or simplified language can help students grasp challenging concepts. This genre is essential for teaching intricate subjects. Making complex ideas understandable is a hallmark of a great teacher. By mastering this genre, you can enhance your students' learning experience. An argumentative presentation involves presenting a viewpoint or claim supported by evidence and logical reasoning. A clear argument structure with supporting points builds credibility. Persuading the audience requires a well-organized presentation. This genre is crucial for debates and discussions in academia. By mastering it, you can effectively present and defend your ideas. Identify the genre of each presentation to adapt language, tone, and structure accordingly. Genre awareness ensures clear and effective communication. It supports your confidence and credibility as a speaker. By understanding the audience's expectations, you can deliver impactful presentations. This skill is essential for successful academic communication. Thank you for watching our guide on academic genres. We hope you found this information valuable. Subscribe for more on academic communication and presentation skills.